Congrats on completing the first section of this course. I hope you're feeling confident and excited about the future. I know I am. How about a short review before you finish up and move on to the next part of the course? First, you learned about how to navigate this program and got some tips to help you get the most out of it. Then you learned about the digital marketing and e-commerce industries and how they've changed the way we buy and sell things. You discovered what digital marketing and e-commerce specialists do on a day-to-day basis and how they add value to businesses. After that, you explored some transferable skills that will help you in your career journey, as well as some specialized skills you'll develop in this program. Then you got into more depth with the types of roles and responsibilities you might have working in these fields. You surveyed the landscape of available jobs and learned some tips for career development. You examined the differences between agency and in-house work so you can start thinking about which one is right for you. Finally, you met some Google employees and learned about what they do and how they got where they are today. I hope everything you've learned so far is helping you build confidence about your career journey. But if you feel like you need a refresher before moving on, remember you can always go back and review any content you're unsure about. By picking up the basics, you're laying the foundation for the rest of your e-commerce and digital marketing education. When you're ready, I'll meet you in the next section of the course.